Aren't computers the best thing since sliced bread? You can take these jobbies straight into class with you and write notes so easily, so quickly. Even if your teacher talks a mile a minute, you can copy everything down. It's wonderful, but it's a terrible way to learn. Let's talk about why you should ditch your keyboard when taking notes in class and use paper and an old-fashioned writing instrument instead. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be as fashionable as my pencil. Reason number 1. This is the most obvious. When you're typing notes on your computer and you're attached to the internet, YouTube and Facebook, they magically open up on their own. Well, this is going to distract you, and it's not your fault. They just won't stay closed. But if you don't have your computer, they can't take over the world. Reason number 2. When you write by hand, a part of the brain called the reticular activating system wakes up. Now, RAS, or razzmatazz as I like to call it, is a filter, and it helps you focus on what you're writing right now. This, of course, will help you learn better. When you focus, you learn better. But when you type on the computer, razzmatazz just sleeps through the class. Just like that. Reason number 3. Students say they like to type their notes because they can type really quickly and copy each and every single word that comes out of the teacher's mouth.
Yay!
This is actually very bad for learning.
Boo!
You see, what happens when you copy everything the teacher says, you're no more than transcribing. That's passive, you don't learn. But when you write by hand using a fashionable pencil, you have to write more slowly. And so you're forced to summarize what the teacher says. You use your own words. You make the material your own. And this helps you learn.
What if I promise to summarize when I type?
I'm so glad you asked. They've done experiments on this, and they've given students computers and said, okay, you can use your computer, but you have to summarize. And you know what happened?
They followed the rules and summarized and got all A's?
Nope, they transcribed anyway. The temptation was too great. So, to summarize, use a pen or pencil and paper to take notes in class because A, Facebook won't distract you, B, you'll be able to wake up your razzmatazz and focus on the information, and 3, you'll summarize and really learn what the teacher is talking about. For more simple changes that will make you smarter, check out my book, The Little Guide to Not Being Dumb, on Amazon.com in Kindle or paperback, and for daily learning goodness, like my Facebook page.